So AR and VR are actually part of Unity and Unreal. So I've built VR applications, I've built AR applications using Unity. So what happens is when you think of VR and AR, you're thinking of devices and everything, which seems very different or disconnected from games, right? But it's using the same engine. And what we essentially do is we change the camera. So instead of rendering from one camera, we render from two cameras, and both the outputs are there on the like two different 3D, and then there's gyroscope and everything, which sort of controls the movement of the camera. Similarly with AR, what happens is again it's the trick of the camera, because you basically rendering the like the whatever the camera is seeing, like a phone camera is seeing or the device camera is seeing, and you're rendering stuff on top of it. So it's again very similar. Like once you learn the basics of Unity or Unreal, you can build AR VR applications very easily.